Assalamualaikum everybody. My name is Aisha Sajjad. I'm from grade 8 and today I'm here with a drawing tutorial. I'm gonna show you guys how to make spiral drawings. So basically spiral drawings are drawings that create like illusions and they look really 3D. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make them. They're really easy to make. You just need a marker or a pen or something and a piece of a paper, and they're really easy to make. I'm going to show you guys how to make a spiral drawing. So as you guys can see, I have a paper over here, a marker and another marker, and I drew like a boundary over the paper with this big marker. So now we need a layout for our spiral drawing. We can make any layout. I have picked this one for myself. Any layout can be drawn, but I've got this one picked for myself. So I have picked this layout, I have made it, and you guys can make any layout you want to. So we'll get into the spiral drawings now. The basic step of these drawings are to make this. You have to put the ruler like this and make it. When it's done, you start from this point and get it to over here like this. Then you start from here and make this again. Start from over here again and from this point and draw a line. Now from this point to this point. And you just keep doing this from this point to this point. Okay, it will look a little bit like this, and you just have to follow the pattern and it will end up like this. Now we can highlight the 3D stuff here. So this one is done. I'm gonna start working on the rest of these four, then we're gonna come over here. You just have to follow the same pattern of the lines. Okay guys, I just remembered something. Shout out to John Harris, his YouTube channel. His channel is where I learned this spiral stuff. If you wanna know more about this spiral drawings, or if you're interested in them, please check out his channel. His videos are really good. The name is John Harris. So as you all can see, I've almost finished with my second one. It's just, this will be complete as soon as almost done. See, this is very easy. It can be done at any time. You should try it if you're bored at home. second one complete, so I'm gonna start doing these two, and I will see you guys when this is done. Go. Okay, this is what happens when I fill every single one of these boxes. So I'm just going to draw some lines in the diamond in the middle. It consumes a lot of time, but it looks really nice in the end. So I recommend everybody do this. It's really good. And I recommend you guys to check out John Harris's channel because his videos are really good. Okay everybody, this is how it looks like in the end. As you can see, it's really illusional and it looks really 3D and it looks amazing. So this is really easy. You just need paper and a marker. Thank you everybody for watching my video, for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the Modern Age YouTube channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to like the video and don't forget to check out John Harris's video. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.